Hello everyone, welcome back to Hanako. This is your Lucky.
Hello guys, these are the 5 simple steps I follow for my kids when they're almost getting into sick mode. Even for me it works out. I normally not tend to look for the medication. These are simple and very powerful. Please try to watch them and do for your kids and yourself for your well-being. First one is gargling our throat. Just use lukewarm water and you can add pinch of rock salt. I prefer rock salt here, and add a pinch of turmeric. Just mix it. Ask your kid or yourself, gargle it for a couple of times, at least 2 to 3 times is recommended. If you can do it in the morning and even before sleep, this will really helps your throat. If we can take care of our mouth, throat and ears properly in the winter time, I think we can escape a lot of sickness around. The second one, she is washing the mouth with the neem powder. Neem powder is one of the antibacterial. It really, this tip really works out. You're supposed to take it gently, massage all your teeth inside and outside of your mouth. This is little bitter in taste. I know the first timers might feel little difficult, but believe me, you're not swallowing anything here. Just wash it couple of times, morning and before night. The third one is we have to clean our mucus. So this is the package. You will get it even with the salt and baking powder. The mixture has it, and you put it and shake it off. And this is very important if people are suffering with allergies or any sinusitis issue. This is everyday recommended even by doctors. So ask your kids to do it. This is very simple. It doesn't harm anything. You just wash your both the nostrils, right and left. And this tip, I think we all know, the steaming to your face whenever you feel that facial pressure because of this cold or cough or any fever or anything. This really helps out. Just add pinch of turmeric and eucalyptus oil and steam. This is to cure our inner sickness, right? The bacteria. So this is Triphala churnam, we call it as. This is made of 3 fruits. One is karakaya and other is amla and tanikaya. These 3 works to cure kapam, vatam, pittam in our bodies, guys. I normally tend to give this mixture almost every day whenever the winter season is coming to my kids. Believe me, they never had any sickness. I normally don't prefer any medication. Believe me, I mean, at least weekly twice or thrice is recommended for the kids, and they will cure all the mucuses kapam, vatam, pittam. This really works as a magic. This is not invented by me. This is very ancient technique we follow in India for kids and even for adults. Just research some research, you don't need to believe me on this. Research and let me know your comments using this. This is very safe to use, but make sure it is organically made. And I am trying to attach a small, description of video why this is supposed to be used by everyone. If you have 1 minute of time, try to watch that video. That's really helpful, guys. Believe me, you should start using this for your kids and for your wellness. I'll leave the products in the description box, but please do your judgment and analysis to use these products before you try something. These are my personal experiences I'm sharing with you. She doesn't like it. So this video will be helpful for you to understand why you need to use this Triphala.
In the realm of Ayurveda, 3 elemental substances, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, govern our health and well-being. Vata, the force of motion, Pitta, the force of digestion, and Kapha, the force of stability. When balanced, they foster vitality. When imbalanced, they trigger ailments. Now imagine a natural remedy that can harmonize these 3 elements. Enter Triphala Churna, a potent blend of 3 fruits, amalaki, bibitaki, and haritaki. This magical concoction does wonders for our health. Amalaki, or Indian gooseberry, is a powerhouse of vitamin C, boosting immunity and rejuvenating the body. Bibitaki is a natural detoxifier, purifying the blood and eliminating toxins. Haritaki, the remover of diseases, enhances digestion and promotes longevity. So why Triphala Churna? It's simple. It's a one-stop solution for a balanced Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, paving the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Discover the power of Trifala Churna, unlock the secrets of Ayurveda, and embrace the journey to wellness.